So this is 2010 Toyota Yaris. The multimeter that you see here is connected to the battery straight away. When I start the car and throttle is on, we can see that the voltage is around 14 volts. Okay, now I'm gonna let go the throttle. Okay, now my throttle is not pressed. You can see the voltage dropping. Now the voltage dropped and the car is off. Okay, so it seems to be stable at 13.7. If we switch off the engine, voltage is around 13.3. Let's start the engine again. Stable on its own. Sounds good. After a couple of trials turning on the engine, the car seems to have regulated itself on its own. This was mainly due to a loose negative terminal on the battery. Now seems to be working okay on its own. I haven't done any fixes to it.